You can't overtake at all.
Hey guys, what's up? Hello, welcome, namaskara. Today we are heading to Dharwad. This is going to be a damn cool video, so watch till the end, guys. Have fun.
Not used to riding with these saddlebags. I need to ensure a little distance on the left and right side of the bike. I usually have a tail bag or just a backpack on. I think the only other time I rode with a saddlebag was when I had been to Ooty, and that was with my KTM 390 Duke. For some reason my helmet's starting to fog up again. Probably when I stop somewhere I'll have to have a look at it. As of now we are en route to Nelmangla. So this is Tumkur town. We're crossing Tumkur town now. I think I left at 8 o'clock and we are at Tumkur at 8:46. And the sun's out. We have reached the Tumkur Chitradurga tollway. Right. Okay, ideally I should have gone from that side. We can stop here somewhere. Catch up on some water. So it's 9:54 now. And we'll be reaching Hiriyur in some time. Been maintaining an average speed of about 79-80 kilometers per hour. It's a good speed to maintain. Fairly less traffic because it's a Saturday, so I don't think a lot of people are going to be traveling on this road over the weekend this time, because it's not a long weekend. But yeah, till Chitradurga the roads are good. After that there will be a lot of diversions, and because of which you take some time. You guys can see it. Yep, so this is the Hubli toll. After this, no double roads. Just one single road to Dharwad. Although it is 25 kilometers, you think that you can reach really fast and everything. But since this is a single way, you end up actually taking some time to reach. You can't overtake at all. It's really dangerous, so you guys have to be really careful when you are overtaking. You need to have patience. And just because it is a single road, it's not that, you know, the oncoming traffic comes at a slower pace. They actually come at a really high speed as well sometimes. Yep, so here we are, Dharwad, 8 kilometers. So there's a diversion towards the right in the front. Yep, so this is the diversion we take to go to Dharwad. And here we are, we finally reached the destination. So this is the Utsav Rock Garden.
The garden is located at Kottakoti village between Hubli and Haveri cities of Karnataka. I will leave the Google Map link in the description below in case you guys want to go and visit. The place is open between 9:30 AM to 6 PM from Monday to Sunday. The moment you enter the garden, you will be thrilled by the sculptures of Kannada film icon Dr. Rajkumar's statues. This is the Great Banyan Tree. This banyan tree is a monumental tribute to three great artists of Karnataka, Dr. M.B. Minajgi, Dr. D.V. Halabhavi, and Sri T.P. Akki.
The village people are doing this thing.
This should be more like a village house environment.
Garden is designed by the renowned artist Dr. T.B. Solavakanavar from Karnataka. He created it with a number of junior artists whom he trained and skilled. He served as a professional in Fine Arts College, Davangere. We can feel the fragrance of his thought at Utsav Rock Garden.
These are some photographs of the founder, members, the inauguration photos. So these are abstract art that have been made here, and the flooring here has been done purely with mirror glass, so that when light comes in and reflects, the entire place has been illuminated with a lot of light. Even the ceiling is glass, if you notice. So all this has been done with a lot of detail. I will take you guys inside this place. So this place is more of it's like a marriage hall. So you can see that all sort of religions are there. Marriage has been covered here. So there is Muslim, there is Christian, there is Hindu, even Sikh, all sorts of religions. Wedding styles have been covered here. This is the stage for the marriage hall, where the husband and wife and along with them their relatives, friends, close people stand, take photos together at the end of the wedding. This is the sort of the final stage of the wedding. This is the food, photographs of the food that has been served during the wedding. So these are other abstract, sculptures that I've done. That is a cricket one there, and there's a bull here. There's music here. So he has a lot of instruments painted on him, like the keys of the piano, the flute, the music notes, the guitar. A lot of it, even in the headphones, the mic, and everything that they have that go along with it. So now we're going to go out.
So that's about it, guys. So this is part 1 of the video. There'll be another few parts of the videos coming up, not only about Utsav Rock Garden but others as well. If you like this video, please like and share it, and please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, you guys, and keep exploring. Take care. Bye.